Battery storage 10 kWh easy do-it-yourself for €3,830.
Do-it-yourselfers built their own battery storage. And why? It is an inexpensive way to reduce energy costs.
€3,830, including inverter. With the help of the dynamically controlled home battery storage system, you can use more of your self-produced solar power. Repair-friendly systems help to extend the life cycle of products and conserve resources. Use your chances and look in the book. The link to the book is at the bottom of the description.
Montepree@gmail.com